How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about two platforms for freelance transcribing, being Scribie and Transcribeme. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So I'm not exactly sure if this is called Scribie or Scribie, but whatever. So what we're going to do for this video is we're going to go over a couple of user testimonials, talking about the key features and pros and cons of each platform and what exactly set them apart from each other. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So starting with Transcribeme, it says here that the salaries start at $21 an hour total. So right off the bat, it's already $1 higher than Scribie or Scribie. So we have to give the point to Transcribeme, goes without saying. As for a freelance transcriber, if you guys were looking to work as a freelancer for them, the edge would have to go to Scribie or Scribie, as it has $1 more than the $21 counterpart of Transcribeme. And as far as quality assurance goes, if you want to work as a QA officer for Transcribeme, you're going to get $23 an hour total. Whereas Scribie, they don't actually have this profession there. You could be an audio transcriber instead, which offers $20 an hour total. So as far as the employee ratings go, this actually says a lot about the company, as it's testimonials from people who've been there, who've worked there, and have had to deal with the people who are running the scene. So let's first start with Transcribeme. So the CEO is Yuri Pikover, and he has an approval rate of 78% for CEO approval, and recommended to a friend, or rather this category. Transcribeme employees, it reads Transcribeme employees rated the recommend to a friend category 24% higher than Scribie employees rated theirs. So this actually already says a lot right off the bat, as in this category, Transcribeme obviously wins, whereas Scribie or Scribie only has 46%. So as far as the CEO approval goes, Rajiv Podar has a 70% rating, so Yuri wins in this category. As for the positive business outlook, Transcribeme employees rated their positive business outlook 19% higher than Scribie employees rated theirs, as this one only goes as far as 34%. So it really goes without saying that so far, Transcribeme has the edge on this. So when it comes to culture and values, this has 3.7 stars, which is pretty awesome. This one has 2.9. This one has 3.9 for diversity and inclusion. This one has 3.0. Work-life balance. This one is huge. This one's a huge factor if you guys don't want to burn out. So this one has 4.2. This one has 3.3. So it goes without saying that in this category, Transcribeme wipes the floor with Scribie or Scribie. Senior management, 3.6. This one is 2.7. Compensation benefits, 2.8 versus 2.6. Career opportunities, 3.6 and 3.0. So it pretty much is a no-brainer. It goes without saying that so far, from what I can tell, Transcribeme has the edge in all aspects and categories when it comes to the transcribing business. And that's not limited to its users, but also its employees, which is awesome. So trending keywords from here, we can see what the people are saying, the employees. So work from home, that's one. Flexible hours, which if you guys feel more productive doing flexible hours, then that's a plus if you want to work for Transcribeme. Whereas with Scribie, it's work from home and no pros. As for the cons, low pay, and I think they have to have a format of 6-minute files. Now the cons for Transcribeme also says low pay and the work available. So when it comes to vacancies and availability for work, I guess I would have to give it to Scribie, as they didn't actually mention anything about the openings here. Whereas with Transcribeme, because everyone wants to work here, the options are a bit limited. So at the end of the day, if you're going to ask me which one is the clear winner between the two, I would have to go with Transcribeme. So based on all user reviews, testimonials, and ratings, it really goes without saying that Transcribeme wins. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.